Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back for another video. Today we're installing these mini spring kinky short twists, perfect for the summer and perfect for growing out your natural hair. So first we want to start off with a heat protectant. I'm using the Uncle Funky's Daughter heat protectant, which I love, by the way. Check them out. So we're just going to detangle and get our hair prepped for this blow drying. I'm using my Dyson and I'm showing you here how the comb is bent on my Dyson, and I just got it like not even a year, it's been like maybe 6 months now. Like, that's crazy. This is a $500 dryer, so I'm upset. But anyways, pretty simple here. I'm blowing through my hair and I'm doing this little wiggle motion at the roots you see there. I saw my hairdresser do this when I got a trim and I was like, huh, genius. So now I do it. It kind of just gets the roots straight before the ends. So it just has like a smooth blowout effect. I really like it. Try it out next time. So the hair we're using is the Twisted Up Springy Afro Kinky Twist from Expressions. I'm sure you guys have seen this going around the internet and all in the hair stores. Super popular. I love it. And today I decided to cut it in half. I didn't want really long twists. I wanted the short ones. It's too hot, y'all. It's too hot. And I work out too much. It's all on my neck. I can't deal. So here I am trying to measure if I should cut them one by one in half or just go for it and cut the whole bulk in half. Y'all, watch this. The camera went all out of focus because it knew I was being a hot mess. But look at that. They're not even even. They're totally uneven. And crazy part is, we're going to save that short piece. It's going to come in handy later. Just put a note in that. So anyways, we're going to grab one of the pieces that we cut and we're going to split that in half. So now we have two. And each of these pieces is a twist. So that's the size we're kind of going for. That's kind of how I split up the hair. Doing it this way, I only needed about 1.5 packs. So definitely a good method to use. So here we are installing with the Let's Jam Extra Hold, which by the way, I don't like. I don't like Let's Jam. I feel like Let's Jam does nothing for my hair. Is it just me? Am I using the wrong color? I don't know. It doesn't work for me, but I was gonna get rid of it and use the rest of it and call it a day. So here we are just doing some parts in the front. And also I use this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Braid Butter. I like to use that as just my moisturizer. Probably won't be buying it again, but it did the job for this hairstyle. So here I'm doing it with the invisible method, which is not new to the internet. I'm sure you guys have seen this. We twist both sides and bring them together and just keep on twisting all the way down. We do this method because it's like the invisible root method. You know, it looks like the twist is actually coming out of our scalp. I don't do my whole head like this. For my fine hair, textured hair, like this is not ideal. So I do this front row like this to give that effect in the front. Maybe the first 2 rows, and then the rest of the hair we're doing the braid method, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So here we are doing the braid method, and basically I put my real hair right in the middle of one piece of hair. I take a little smidge of my real hair and add it to one of the fake hair pieces, so now we have 3. Then we just start braiding. Hope that made sense. I'm pretty sure I show it again, but this is my ultimate favorite way to install any kind of protective style, especially these twists. My hair is so fine, it will slip. Any fake extensions will slip. So starting with the braid is kind of key for me. The front, I kind of just let it do its thing and touch it up as I go throughout the month. But the braid method is my favorite. It's secure, it's staying in there way better than the invisible root method. So I kind of just do the braid for at least 3 or 4 rounds and we start twisting the hair. So here's why I think this is one of the best hairstyles hands down for natural hair. It mimics our hair. So it mimicking our hair allows it to grow out and let us keep it in for longer, because the longer it's in, the better it looks. You have complete access to your scalp, so I'm able to moisturize my scalp, oil it, all that good stuff whenever I need to. Also, all the prep work that I did, I moisturized my entire strand of hair. I even moisturized the fake hair just so it wasn't too harsh against my real hair. All that prep comes in handy when it comes down to takedown. It's gonna be a super easy process. And speaking of easy, this style is super easy to install. I really do think it's beginner friendly and anyone can install it. Just take your time with your parts and things like that. I know some people are really big on parts, but overall, amazing style. Hey guys, so as I was filming this, I realized I never did an outro. Ironically, it is exactly a week since I last put these mini spring kinky twist in, and I have lots to say. While we're talking, I am going to be redoing 2 of these, and this area is always iffy for me because like I wear glasses and then sunglasses, and then you know, just the front is always just finicky. But few things. For fine textured hair, the invisible root method it's tricky. Doable, but tricky. I always feel like starting with a braid and then going into the twist is the best method for fine textured hair, but you know, a lot of people like that look that the invisible root method gives. For the front, I am still keeping them the invisible root method, but over time, I think I might change all of them to the braid into twist method, only because it's much tighter that way and it will last longer. I have no complaints whatsoever with this hairstyle. For me, I'm a very, you know, active individual. If you follow me on all my other socials, I really need a protective style that is going to keep up with me, and that means keep up through all the workouts I go through. I'm a heavy sweater, gross, but keep up with all of that type of stuff. You know, I did knotless braids. Those are super cute, super pretty, but they're gonna get frizzy super fast. Again, because I do work out so much and I'm sweating, and it's just not gonna stay put. Now, kinky twists, though they do get frizzy and you know, over time they will grow out, it's way more natural looking. As you can see, like these still look pretty good for a week old and lots of activity. I'm able to style them in really cute ways. And because I kind of messed up with that hair, cutting it like too short, I was able to kind of create, I still used it, I was able to kind of create bangs and like short pieces in the front. So like not all of the twists are the same length exactly all over my head, which at first I was like, eh. But now when I do certain styles, like it's a cute little bang effect, like little things like that. At night, I try to leave them loose and just throw on a bonnet just so there's not a lot of like pulling going on, which can also make your twists look older than they are by like forcing them to slip out and things like that. I do oil my hair maybe like twice a week when I really feel like it does. Again, I'm like low porosity fine hair, so putting a whole bunch of oils in my hair is not always the best idea. All in all, I'm having a really good time with this hairstyle. Like, you know how there's like sometimes when you do a natural hairstyle and you don't feel pretty, but you keep it in anyways because it's practical and it's growing your hair out, yada yada. That sometimes happens to me a lot, and I really feel like this style kind of complements me. It's you know, it's still sexy, it's still pretty. I can put it up and down in different ways that, you know, frame my face really nicely. I think this length is really nice, not too long, not too short, so it could come off as natural. So I really like that. I really like that about this style a lot. I just got back from the gym, so I am going to let them just air out a little bit. But I might do a video of different styles, or maybe post that on TikTok of just different styles I'm doing with the twists. I'm having a really good time with these. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions for me about this hairstyle, please leave them down below. I will link the hair and everything that I use down below as well. If you made it this far, please leave a black heart emoji. That's just kind of the vibe I'm with today. Dark black colors, you know, things like that. So leave a black heart emoji if you made it this far. Subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.